If you're looking for a budget climbing shoe that actually performs, this might be one of the easiest recommendations right now. This is the Decathlon SIMOND Vertika, and it's currently on sale for about $55 on the Decathlon website. It looks like the model is getting to continue, so this is one of buy it before it goes situation. It is an entry to intermediate option. It sits in the sweet spot where you're progressing past rentals but don't want to drop $150 on aggressive shoes yet. What makes this interesting is there's a slight downturn, which is something you usually don't get at this price point. So quick specs: slight downturn slope, Velcro strap enclosure, 2 of them, synthetic upper with low stretch, moderate asymmetry, and grippy rubber outsole. Designed for both indoor and outdoor sports climbing, and on the wall they actually perform above its price. The rubber is surprisingly grippy. I had no issues trusting it on small footholds or smears on volumes. For gym climbing especially, it performs well across slabs and vertical terrain. The slight downturn gives it enough power for edging and overhangs without being uncomfortable like aggressive shoes. Sizing is where it gets a little bit tricky. This shoe does not stretch much, unlike leather shoes from brands like La Sportiva or Scarpa. So what you buy is pretty much what you get. I normally wear at 8.5 men's or 41.5 EU size, and I went down to a 41 because that's all that was available. It was a bad idea. Break-in took about 5 to 6 sessions, much longer than usual, and it was honestly really painful. Also, the biggest negative is the heel has a lot of dead space even when downsized. So if you have a narrow heel, you'll notice it right away. And then finally is that even though I downsize, I'm getting blisters on top of my big toe. So it's something to be aware of. Of course, everybody's kind of foot shape is different, but it shouldn't be this much blisters. The way they design like the big toe area is just kind of odd in my opinion. So in recommendation, if you can find this one in your size, definitely grab it, but try not to downsize if you want comfortable shoes. Again, excellent value of $55, and minimal stretch, hard break-in period, and the heel fit is very loose. So if you can live with that, this is a great purchase. If you're interested in some of the other rock climbing shoe reviews, check out my playlist here. Peace. And if you wanted to purchase these shoes, you can check out my affiliate link down below.